What do you got there, Josie?
Sammy.
What is that? Who?
Sammy.
You got 7? Do you love 7?
He's a big boy.
He's a good boy.
Yeah.
Otis, go. How you doing there, 7? Otis, get out of here.
My daddy.
You wanna carry him?
He's gonna scratch you.
You might get scratched.
He has sharp claws, remember?
Yeah.
Are you gonna carry him?
Bring him to Daddy.
Okay.
Sammy.
Oh. Only 18 years old.
Sam thinks that.
This is incredible.
Otis, get out of here.
Never thought
Okay, thank you. I got him. Let go, I got him.
Watch out.